Welcome to my channel. My name is Anita and I am designer and maker behind yarns. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this pretty knit-like stitch. Here I'm using bulky weight yarn from Hobbii, an 8mm size crochet hook. We are going to start by making a slip knot first. And one of the ways to do that is wrapping the yarn around your hook just like so. And then grab the tail part of your yarn and pull it through the loop on your hook. And there you have it, an easy way to make a slip knot. Now we'll start chaining. I'll do this part slowly for those of you who are just starting to learn the basics of crochet. And for the sake of this video, I'll just make a little swatch, so I'll be chaining 11. So here I have my foundation chain done. This is the back of my chain and this is the front. Now in the second stitch from the hook, we are going to do our first slip stitch. So this stitch right here. Insert your hook through, yarn over, and pull through until you have one loop on your hook left. So now we're just going to repeat this stitch until the end of the row. And my row has 10 stitches total. So just go ahead and slip stitch all the way down. Chain 1, and this is what you should have after the first row. This will be the front of your work and this will be the back. Now for the second row we are going to look at the front of our work and start inserting our hook through that second loop of our slip stitch. So this loop right here. Now to start the second row, we are going to yarn over and slip stitch through the back loop just like so. And this is what we'll do for our second row, all the way to the end. So just yarn over and slip stitch through the back loop only. And repeat this stitch for the entire row. Now we're going to chain 1, and you'll see here that pretty pattern starting to show already. Now for our third row, we'll be doing slip stitches again. So repeating our first row but still working through that back loop only. So we won't go in through both loops like we normally would, but instead through this loop right here. Yarn over and pull through. And then continue slip stitching for the entire third row. Now this is pretty much all you need to know to crochet this knit stitch. You'll be just going back and forth alternating between rows 2 and 3. So for one row you'll be slip stitching through back loop only for the entire row, and then for the next row you'll yarn over and slip stitch again, working only through back loop. And after you did a few rows, this is what your work should look like. You can see these knit-like stitches looking really pretty. And when you use chunky yarn like I did, the design really pays off even more, since you can see those stitches so clearly. This is going to be the back of your work, and this is going to be the front. You can see how stretchy these stitches are, so you can use them for projects like beanies or headbands. And if you would like to see some of the tutorials I did with this stitch, make sure you check out my channel, where you can find the easy and simple projects for yourself. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to answer all of them. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell button so you don't miss any videos I post. That will help other people find my videos as well. I would love to see your finished work, so make sure you tag me on social media when you post it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.